Now, 2024 is expected to see a soft landing as well as interest rate cuts that help the global economy and markets.
But predictions based on Bloomberg economics show that a lot could go wrong based on recent years marked by the pandemic and the war's financial failures. Let's take a look at the few top risks to the global economy here. Israel's war in Gaza, it's led to a battle in the Red Sea, which might cut off oil supplies and hit global supply chains severely. The base case scenario remains a wider regional conflict. It's improbable at the moment. However, important trade routes and 1/5 of the world's fuel supply may be in jeopardy if that extreme scenario does become a reality. As a result, if crude prices do rise to $150 a barrel, then the world economy would lose around 1% and inflation would rise by 1.2 percentage points.
Another risk is that the US Federal Reserve may be forced to battle inflation with higher for longer interest rates. That would be detrimental to investors who were counting on an early and aggressive shift to Fed rate cuts this year. If the US risks running its economy too hot, the opposite is true of Europe. The European Central Bank and Bank of England are at the end of their most aggressive tightening cycles in a generation, run their hikes through any macroeconomic model, and it spits out a clear forecast, a deep recession. That is what it is.
The second biggest economy in the world is already seeing negative growth in 2024. A constant stream of stimulus has not been able to plug the hole left by the collapsing real estate market, and the post-pandemic recovery has faded. While these are the base case scenarios, more could go wrong. Without considering those downside risks, Bloomberg Economics' global growth prediction for 2024 was 2.7%. That is the lowest rate in a non-crisis year since the 2001 dot-com bubble burst. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.